Hello, this is Bogdan Dozhny, and today we're gonna learn how to build wine store using Chatbobuilder AI. But in this case, we will use not an e-commerce tool, but we try to use Google Sheet as our database source. So let's begin. All right. To be able to build a store on Chatbobuilder AI, we need a couple things. One is the prompt, second it's free flows, and third it's a Google Sheet. I already done my Google Sheet preparation, so we have name column, we have category column, we have price column, and we have column with image source, which I will talk about this in a couple of minutes because there is one trick which needs to be done with links. But let's begin one by one. So since this is my imaginary store, I have no any information, so I have to go somewhere and get all of this information. So I just visit wine.com and I found about company section, so I just hit Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and I feed all of this data to the ChatGPT, even free version, and I ask, please create me a chatbot knowledge base using the info provided below. And bam, after Ctrl V, I've got this clean information, which is nice to use as a prompt in case someone may ask about us more details. So here it is my welcome message. So in this case, for each new user, I give a tag, and I'm checking about the tag if user comes back again. I'm using one account for all of my demos. So to avoid any kind of messing up, I have to do this check-in by tag. Here's my OpenAI blog, and as you can see, there is everything basically from the prompt about the company is here, plus my simple modifications like you are the Emily, a helpful assistant wine store, and your goal to product assistant, blah blah blah, name of the company, and I provide here categories and the price range, and we're gonna test as well in a few minutes. I would like to be specific in which Google Sheets sections there is a price range and the categories. So this is done, and default reply pretty simple. We have prompt, and we have two things. So one is book appointment or call or order wine product, and wine store catalog. It's two functions. Let's actually go inside functions and let's see the settings more detailed. So you're gonna go to the settings, then we need to go to the integrations, and we need to go to OpenAI function. So, okay, function number one is wine store catalog. Basically, we are telling to AI, provide the user a catalog of wine store available products depending on the user request. And what flow will be triggered is Google Sheet wine store flow. Name of the function, wine store catalog. Pretty simple. And there is also book appointment or call or order product wine store, which I'm using specifically for this demo. Just asking for name, email, and phone number, and that's it. Not any payment system connected because it's a simple demo. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look to the Google Sheet flow. Now there is a Google Sheet action which you can get from add content and actions. Here it is, Google Sheet, very simple. I'm gonna use Google Sheet dynamic gallery because I wanna showcase my product. I need to map basically links to the image, and below I need to map the tiles I wanna show up with a card gallery. So link, it's a column F, which is actually column E. It will be column E because column F it will be next. So we're gonna test just simple link I've got from Google Sheet folder, and entire folder anyone with a link can view. So basically I just click on the image, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. This is the way how I got all of these links to the images. So I need to map link to the image, name of the product, price, and type of the product. So in our case is column A, it's a name, column B it's a type, column D it's a price, column E it's an image. Alright, all of this is nicely done, and now I guess it's time to test our bot. We need to fire our welcome message, hit preview, and that's it. And our demo begins. So hello, my name is Emily, welcome to the store. What's your name? My name is Bogdan. How can I assist you today? How was the wine store? Okay, I guess it's not my name, so show me all you got. Bam, here is the problem. So we got everything, we got all of the products basically here, but we are not seeing the image. So with Google Sheet as a source for the images, you have to do some trick with the link. So as you can see, there is a huge link, and there is a couple of things we need to do. So we need to cut this part, like in the end, /view, question mark, and this kind of part. This part of the links we need to cut, and also everything before ID of the image. So basically we need to upgrade this ID of the image with one single parameter. It looks like this: drive.com/thumbnail in the end question mark. This needs to be done with the link. So what I did, I just copied all of the link to the next column, and then I'm gonna do the action, which is I need to find and replace. So find and replace will be like this. So this will be exactly what I found here. No, we need to do this. I like this. So one more second, like this. So it should be the link. It should be very simple. So https drive.google.com/thumbnail question mark ID. All right, and this symbol. Now we need to tell the Google Sheet what part I want to delete. So I want to delete everything what is before ID. So basically all of this. Okay, I'll just do replace all. But this is not enough. We also need to delete this part. So it's like /view blah blah blah. So this is I find out during testing. So I'm just showing you, the entire result. So again, find and replace, keep this empty, paste this, and delete everything which is before this /. So this is we keep, we need to replace all. Okay, so this is quite strange. Okay, not everything that's simple, because we have different type of the links. So I guess I need to copy now this again. You see, we have a part of the links which have in the end something like this, and USB. So this is ID. So we need to delete this one as well. So again, let's repeat our actions for this column. Okay, now it's supposed to be a really clean link, I hope. Pay attention again. So there is a different type of the links, but they are built the same. So we need to delete this part of the link and replace with this one. All right. Basically, all of them are light. Let's just replace this column and see how it will work. So we need to go back to the Google Sheet flow and replace column E to the column F, where we have our modified links. Let's see how it will work. Publish again. Let's go back to our bot and repeat our ask. So we just want to ask the bot, show us all you got. Perfect. Now images are working. So just ignore my mistake that if you may click again, it will open again with Google Drive interface. Just pay attention. So this is the structure of the link originally you will get from Google Drive. This is your current structure of modified link. So pay attention. There should be nothing in the end after the image ID, and everything which is before image ID you change to drive.com/thumbnail question mark ID and this symbol, like this. As that once it will be done, will be no problem to show you all of the products, which is just beautifully. So let me say I want to buy. Okay, order. This is simple. So you see you have instructions, just type order to order. We said I want to order install, let me know your preference, and okay. I want to order this. Alright, function is triggered. Now bot's asked me for email and phone number, but not for the name, because bot already know our name. So I'll just do my email and my phone number. Nicely done. Since we don't have payment system set up for this demo, this is end of our testing and journey. Seems with Google Sheet it's a bit tricky to build real e-commerce. So guess we have to just upload the entire sheet inside the system, the e-commerce system function what we have. You know what? Let's try to do this. Why not? Let's begin. So we go to marketing, and then we go to e-commerce module. So there is a two type of templates. There is a one template, name, price, category, short description, image, and there is a more complicated template. Instead of using even this simple, I'll try just to download my sheet and upload it straight into, hold on, it should be CSV, I guess. Let me check. Yeah, it should be CSV file, so I need to download mine as a comma separated value, CSV. Zero product were imported. And why is that? I guess we need to update our sheet a little bit. Okay, great. Since we follow the rules, everything just goes smooth and fine. Okay, so here we should be more specific with our requests. So this is our catalog because it's very simple. There is no image and product to show. I don't know. So I ask, okay, do you have red semi-sweet wine? All right, and now I have everything which is red and semi-sweet. Alright, so today we play around a little bit with Chatbobuilder AI and two variations how we can build the product catalogs using Google Sheet as a database and using e-commerce module. So there is advantages. I think both ways are great. Just you need to be more specific and you need to pay attention about the clarity for the AI. And of course, be careful when you're messing up with so many different products and types as I'm doing on my account. Follow me to learn more. Have a nice day.